This is how to delete your Facebook page. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss any important steps. For this, first of all, you need to open your Facebook app. Once it is open, then tap on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Now from here, switch to your Facebook page that you want to delete. After that, tap on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Now from here, scroll down and tap on settings and privacy, and then tap on settings. After that, here tap on page settings. Once it is open, now scroll down and tap on access and control option. Now here you will see deactivation and deletion page. Just tap on it. After that, here you need to tap on delete page option and then tap on continue. Once you will do that, then you need to re-enter your password and then tap on continue. And after that, your page will be deleted. So this is how to delete your Facebook page.